Yo, what's up guys? Back here with another video. And today, we're going to be doing the crank, because that's what we need to do on this kx85 2017 at that. So, I got my good old press from Harbor Freight, because too broke to be affording the real things. So, but it's just right, so let's get right into it. Oh, it's coming out like butter. But will it let me go all the way through? Woo. Three, two, one. Now? Bingo. And there you guys have it. The bearing dropped out in this one. I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other one. It's going to be the same process. So I'll be right back when I have both of the bearings out. Alright guys. Here's this is the left case. So this is stator side. Oh no! Oh no! We're bottoming out in the press. I can't go farther down. So what has to happen is I have to release the pressure. How down is it? Is it already out? No, it's almost out though. I have to bring this up one more level. It has one more level. It's right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there. Another level. So we're gonna do that real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, I brought up another level, so now let's finish pressing it out. And just like that. And it's out. Release the pressure. And then take this little socket out. My little temporary socket that I have in there. Set it aside, and then as you hear, if you lift this up and out, there's the bearings. And just like that, they're already out. And right now, in my freezer, I have the bearings freezing, so once they're frozen, we're gonna press them in, and then first put the seal in first, put the new seals in, and then put the frozen bearings in, and heat this up at the same time, and drop them in. If they don't go all the way in, we'll just press them in. So it'll be all good. And I'm gonna make sure I lube them up. I already have. They come from the factory, greased up. So yeah, I'll be right back when I have all that stuff done. Let's get it. This